It's a great day at Wolf GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, various drive modes appear on the dash. We're able to select normal, sport, or off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, and the park brake just below that. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar and some more interior light buttons. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And we've also got that hitch guidance there on the right. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB and USB-C plugins, and to the left here we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, black side mirrors, rear tinted windows, elevation badging, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust with premium tips, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also comes with the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob here, pushing that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we've got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, some USB and USB-C plugins. On the floor, we have rubber floor mats, and we are able to raise these rear seats for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfgmcbuick.com.